So this is a Growing Dome greenhouse. It's a new paradigm in greenhouse. It's a net zero energy greenhouse and it's completely unique. And so why is it different or superior than a regular greenhouse, you might ask? Firstly, it has a geodesic shape. The traditional greenhouse is rectangular, and as the sun tracks across the sky, it gives a lot of heat at midday when the sun's shining on the surface of the greenhouse, and in the morning and evening, hardly any heat. The Growing Dome has even heat input throughout the day. So it's immensely strong. It can stand a huge amount of snow, and the wind just blows it right around it. I've seen many hoop houses where the plastic has been completely shredded by the wind. I've seen other hoop houses where they're crushed by the snow. So a regular greenhouse is simply a season extender. The Growing Dome grows all year round. It's an enclosed indoor garden that produces fresh fruit, vegetables and flowers all year round. A regular greenhouse is simply extending your season for 2 or 3 weeks in the spring and fall. The Growing Dome has immense powers of insulation and energy heat retention. So with this greenhouse, it captures and stores the heat of the sun in the day and slows down the heat loss at night. A regular greenhouse will get hot, but at night it just loses all the heat and freezes. So a regular greenhouse overheats in the summer, it gets far too hot, so you can't grow in the summer in your regular greenhouse. This greenhouse grows all summer long. It's got automatic windows, it's got a water tank that stores the heat and keeps it cool in the summer. So another difference between the Growing Dome and a regular greenhouse is this: it comes with a foundation wall that keeps it up out of the snow. A regular greenhouse, the glass goes all the way down to the ground and the snow builds up against it, creating a lack of sunshine in the winter. The other thing is this is a heated, insulated foundation, and the dome is tremendously rigid, so it never suffers from frost heaving in the winter. A regular greenhouse, you have to have concrete to stop it moving in the winter. So with a regular greenhouse, you simply have a season extender. With the Growing Dome, you have a year-round enclosed indoor garden. So you can grow all year round in the Rocky Mountains. In the Rocky Mountains, the growing season is 90 days. But with a Growing Dome, you can grow all year long without a hitch, with no extra heating or cooling. So the Growing Dome requires no electricity to heat or cool. It runs on its own solar power. It's the most incredibly energy efficient greenhouse kit in the USA today. It's now 1st of March in the Rocky Mountains, and we have fruit, vegetables and flowers growing all year round. So here we have the unique Growing Dome. There's nothing like it. Give us a call, check us out. We have our web page, we're on YouTube. So look at our geodesic Growing Dome greenhouse, and I think you'll be surprised and happy with what you found.